Good morning, students. In the last lecture, we have seen the expression for displacement, velocity and acceleration in SHM. Today, we'll see the expression for displacement, velocity and acceleration at time t. As we know, the equation for the displacement of particle in SHM, we'll write the equation for displacement of particle in SHM is x is equal to a sine of omega t plus phi. Therefore, the velocity can be written as rate of change of displacement with respect to time. Displacement with respect to time. So, differentiating this equation for displacement, that is a sine of omega t plus phi, we have a omega, sine derivative is cos of omega t plus phi. Now the acceleration, it is given by, it is velocity with respect to time, that is we can write dv by dt. Again differentiate this equation, that is a omega cos omega t plus phi, that is derivative of cos is minus sine, it is minus of this a omega square sine of omega t plus phi. So these three, that is x is equal to a sine of omega t plus phi, v is equal to a omega cos of omega t plus phi, and a is equal to minus a omega square sine of omega t plus phi. These are the equation for displacement, velocity and acceleration at time t. Now we will see the expression for again displacement, velocity and acceleration at mean and the extreme positions. I'll write that. So we'll see the expression for displacement, velocity and acceleration at mean and the extreme position. As we know, first we'll see for the displacement. We know equation for displacement in SHM. Displacement in SHM is, we'll write the equation x is equal to a sine of omega t plus phi. So at mean position, this omega t plus phi, this term, it is equal to 0 or pi. In the last lecture I have explained, that is what is the mean position and the extreme position. So at the mean position, that is omega t plus phi, it is equal to 0 or pi. So as we know, this is the mean position. So at mean position, that omega t plus phi, that is equal to this 0 or pi or so on. So we'll take the value, that's 0, and write the, so at mean position omega t plus phi is equal to 0 or pi. Therefore we can write x mean, that is the mean position, it is equal to 0. As we know that sine 0 or pi, that is equal to 0. So this is the equation for displacement at the mean position. Then we'll write the equation for the displacement at extreme position. Then at extreme position, this omega t plus phi, it is equal to pi by 2 or 3 pi by 2. We'll see where is the position of this pi by 2 and 3 pi by 2. So this is the mean and this is extreme position. That is the positive extreme and it is the negative extreme. other side of the extreme position. So this pi by 2 this extreme position, and to the lower side it is 3 pi by 2. This is also an extreme position. So we'll write this in equation for extreme position. Therefore this equation 1 becomes, that is x is equal to a sine of omega t plus phi. It becomes equal to x is equal to plus or minus a sine of pi by 2. We have written this value here. Instead of omega t plus phi, we have written pi by 2. That is equal to x max, we can say. It is the extreme, that is the maximum value. It is equal to plus or minus a. As we know, the sine 90, that is sine pi by 2, it is equal to 1. So this omega t plus 5, that is pi by 2, it becomes equal to 1. And we can write x is equal to plus or minus a. And this a is nothing but the amplitude. It is the maximum displacement. So next we'll see for velocity. Second is for the velocity. So expression for velocity in SHM, we know that expression for velocity in SHM is, in last lecture we have seen that is v is equal to plus or minus omega root of a square minus x square. So at mean position, we know x is equal to 0, that is displacement is 0 at mean position. Put this value in this equation. So we have for velocity it is equal to plus or minus a omega. Then at extreme position, x is equal to plus or minus a, that is the maximum displacement, that is amplitude. So this equation this x is equal to a, so this term it becomes 0, so it is 0. That is, we can write v is equal to, this equation number 1 becomes v is equal to plus or minus, it will be 0. So this is the velocity for extreme position and this is for the mean position. Then next we'll see the acceleration. Number 3, it is the acceleration. The equation for acceleration is, in SHM, the equation for acceleration what is the equation? It is a omega square into x. So at mean position, we know displacement is 0, that is x is equal to 0. Therefore this equation, we'll say this equation number 3, suppose. For velocity we have to take equation number 2. So it is omega square x. Therefore x, as x is 0, displacement is 0, so a is equal to omega, so it is again 0. A is equal to 0. This is at the mean position, and at extreme position we have x is equal to amplitude, that is the maximum displacement. So this equation 3, if we put x is equal to plus or minus a, then this equation for acceleration at extreme position, that is for max, it becomes a max is equal to plus or minus omega square e. In velocity we'll write minimum, it is an maximum. So these are the equation we have seen. It is the displacement at mean position, displacement at extreme position, then velocity at mean position, velocity at extreme position, and again acceleration at mean position and acceleration at extreme position.